Hello and namaskar and welcome to Everything Innovative. And today I will tell you how to install the LabView software, how to download and install. So first of all, go to your browser and make sure that your Google account is Chrome browser is login with your BITS mail ID, because it is for only BITS students. So your Chrome browser is login with BITS mail ID. So I will click here LabView. So the link to download the LabView software is given in the PPT itself. So here I will click to LabView download and just wait. So this type of page will open LabView, and from here scroll down. So there you have to change only two things. First one is this version. Here it is given and 24Q3. So if you download 24Q3, it may be difficult to run on your system. So and to run smoothly, you can download the 22 version 22Q3, but you can download anyone, and you have to select the bits application bitness on the 32 bits. And then as I have downloaded here, it is shown as buy. So for the free, it will be written as trial for free. You will click on trial for free and you will log in. First of all, you have to log in. So just wait, I will click on login to download and will show further. Now I logged into my account, and so here you can see it is written as try for free, and you will select when you click on try for free, then it will download, and from then download, and then after you have to install it. So to install this software, you will click here in the downloaded section, and from downloaded you will click the file, and then it will start downloading. As I will click on file, then it will ask to allow this app to make changes on your device. I will click on yes. So now it is installing, and just wait. And now here you have to click on accept and then next. Then review the following summary before continuing. Again click on next. Then according to the PPT, this pop-up will come, and you have to only click check out. Here it is clicked on LabView and then click on next. Here it is asking for additional items you may wish to install. Then you just don't do anything, just click on next. Again here click on I accept and next, further next. And according to PPT, if this type of pop-up is coming, then you have to click on yes. So now first of all it is asking to login to activate, and I will click on login to activate. Here it is asking for my account, mail and password, so I have to give the BITS mail ID and password. So wait. Now I just entered my credentials, and this is asking for check my account license and remind me later. So it is showing that this software trial expires in 7 days, and from here I will click on extend trial. So I will click on now finish. So these are the some configurations are going on. Now here this type of page is open. So and now from here I have to now perform my tutorials. So I will click on file, new, then my window is opened now, and now I will start what tutorial I have to perform. So this was the how to install the LabView software. So thank you, and kindly share to those who are in need as your colleague or your juniors. Thank you.